Hello dear grade 8 students. So this will be your holiday homework or the assignment that is allotted during the holidays. Okay, so once the school reopens, you will be submitting this. Let me just guide through how you do this. See children, you will have to refer to page 148 of your Exceed content book. Right? I have already discussed this during the online class. Do you remember? This project work which is already designed, it is there in your textbook. This is a simple car which is based on force and pressure. Both the topics I have covered, isn't it? Force and the concepts of pressure. This is something that you can construct on your own, okay, without troubling your parents much, because all you need is just two balloons, okay, just empty bottle, just scissors, strings, and very easy things, children. Buttons you already have at home, right? Or you can even use two straws, empty straws. Okay, children, so you will follow the exact procedure, construct this, okay, make sure it is running, and you will submit this. Your own project you will be submitting after reopening. Okay, so this video, this is the link which you will type in YouTube, which will give you a step-by-step explanation of how to construct your project. Okay, children? So what you will be doing here is, it's a very interesting thing. When you are doing this construction of your project, you will take a short video. It should not be more than 3 minutes, children. Okay, so in the video you will clearly explain the relationship between F and A. Okay, that is how they are inversely proportional. I will show you one example how you will do the video. Listen carefully. So in the video you will be featured very clearly, and please make sure your voice is audible, and please be confident in the video. This holiday homework especially I have designed with a purpose. I want you all to be very good and confident in communication skills. When you're giving a seminar, okay, you're going to higher classes, isn't it? Next year you will be 9th and then 10th. Okay, so I want to prepare you, okay, to be more confident. So here you will just say, hello everyone. Today I'll be taking a sponge, okay, and try to press it with a sharp pencil. So you're taking a sponge and first you're pressing it with a pencil, and again you will press it with a blunt stick. Which one will be piercing more? Obviously the sharp pencil. You will explain why in your video. That is, I have observed that the blunt stick has more surface area, that is A is more. So if A is more, it is inversely proportional, isn't it? So F will be less. If the force is less, obviously the pressure will be less in case of a blunt stick. But whereas the sharp pointed end of the pencil, it occupies less area, right? So the area is less, force is more, pressure is more, and it will be pierced. You have to take the sponge in your video, take a small pencil, any sharp pencil, and any blunt straw or anything. You can take a stick, or you can take even a pen which is having a blunt end like this. Okay, you can even take a normal pen. See, these are the things which are easily available at home, and this is just an example. You should not do the same thing, children. It should be your own creative idea, okay, explaining this relationship. You can take any example. I have discussed many examples, isn't it, in my online class. Then you will conclude this video of yours by saying, so we can conclude that they are inversely proportional. That is, as the area increases, force decreases, and vice versa. According to the formula, P is equal to F by A. Thank you all. Like this, you will be ending it. Okay, so you will be using very simple materials which are available at home, children. You don't have to buy or do anything which is very tough. Alright, children. Okay, so now this is a small puzzle time here. Okay, so you will find out who this scientist is. Okay, so I have given a hint of the scientist's name here. Okay, based on the photograph, you will identify the name of the scientist. It starts with A, and these are the hints given for the scientist's name. Okay, so why is the scientist important? Because there's one very, very important formula, okay, that a principle that he has discovered. What is that principle based on pressure that he has formulated? Write the name of that formula or the principle that he has designed. And there is a special word that he coined. He had a doubt in his brain. Okay, once he got the idea, he shouted, with excitement, with one word which is very, very famous, children. What is that word? You will find out. And apart from pressure, not only he worked on pressure, he worked on other different concepts in physics. So apart from that, any two other topics on which he has worked, you will write those two topics. Okay, so this puzzle time you will just do on a normal A4 sheet, or any like this small rough paper, any paper, children. You don't have to worry your parents about anything. Okay, You will do this parcel time along with your short video. So one thing very important, please follow these instructions. Keep the limit of the video to some 3 minutes. All you have to do is you have to show the inverse proportion, isn't it? For area and force and pressure. Simple items, as I told you one example already. Using such simple examples, just shoot a small video of yourself. Be loud, clear and confident. Introduce yourself, very important children. Just say, hello, I am so-and-so, okay? In so-and-so class and so-and-so section. That's very, very important, like 8A or 8B. And then click the pictures of your balloon and that empty bottle. When you're constructing your project, children, in that Exceed project, please take the pictures at every stage. I want to know what are the steps you have followed to construct, okay, and what are the properties you have based it on, like force and pressure, okay? And you will submit this after the school reopens. Thank you so much, dear students and parents. All of you remember to stay safe, stay home, and thank you very, very much for your kind cooperation during these difficult times. Once again, wishing you all a very, very happy holidays, children, for all the grade 8 students, okay? And please follow these rules, keep in your mind, okay? And while sending the video, these are the instructions you have to follow, okay? So you can send in your videos and photos during the holiday. There is no hurry. So please practice nicely, do a wonderful video so that we can share it with all your friends. Okay, children? Thank you so much.